My channel. Today we're going to be making slime with just two ingredients. If you want to see how it comes out like this. It comes out and it's really nice. And it's just two ingredients. The ingredients: nail polish and red sugar oil. Or something to mix it with and take it out with. Okay, so first we're gonna, I already have vegetables around here. So first, we're gonna take our nail polish, which is my gold one first, because that was gold. You and just pour it into the bowl or cup, whatever you're using, and put a pink. Next one, if you are using oil. Okay, that's good enough. Now, you cannot do this one if you're afraid to get your hands dirty. So, taking your hands out, and then there's like this plastic top over it. You take that out. Then you just drop back. Oh, that's on the side. This is like the preview slime, and it's very oily. So you gotta be able to get your hands dirty. And it does dry up, so at first I thought it didn't. Okay, and then all you have to do is mix it up a little bit, and then you put your hand in, pull the stuff that's in it out, and then you squish it all together. It might be a little sticky as it's nail polish. Now I'm just keep dipping my hands in here. As you can see, this also works with water. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I just try to avoid it for some reason. I didn't have oil at the time when I was trying it before. And
Gigi, where's this?
And I'm just, oh, and if you heard that, it's my little sister. She's sister's on the table and asking me what it is. Okay, so, and it stretches, kinda. And we'll just add a little onto this one. I'm thinking this is good enough. Let me have to tell you to be quiet again.
And guys, it's doing. Blah, blah.
Okay, stop. You're getting my nerves.
Blah, blah.